Hi, welcome to online lecture series on microcontroller and embedded system. The subject code is 19EE44. The lecture number is 37. I am Dr. Singaravelan and the topic is on Introduction to Atmega 2560 from Module 5. In previous lectures from Module 1 to 4, we have seen about 8051 microcontrollers. The fifth module is on a new microcontroller called Atmega 2560. This is a high performance, low power AVR 8-bit microcontroller. Atmega 2560 microcontroller is manufactured by Microchip. The Atmega 2560 is a low power CMOS 8-bit microcontroller based on the AVR enhanced RISC architecture. By executing powerful instruction in a single clock cycle, the Atmega 2560 achieves throughputs approaching 1 machine instruction per second per megahertz, allowing the system designer to optimize power consumption versus processing speed. The Atmega 2560 provides the following features. It has 256 kilobytes of in-system programmable flash with read while write capabilities. The 4 kilobyte EEPROM and 8 kilobyte SRAM, 54 to 86 general purpose input output lines, 32 general purpose working register, real-time counter, 6 flexible timer and counter, and 10-bit analog to digital converter. The device is manufactured using Microchip high density non-volatile memory technology. The on-chip ISP flash allows the program memory to reprogram in system through a serial peripheral interface. By a conventional non-volatile memory programmer or by on-chip board program running on a AVR core. The boot program can use any interface to download the application program in an application flash memory. The software in boot flash section will continue to run while application flash selection is updated. The Atmega 2560 has 11 ports, namely port A, port B, port C, port D, port E, port F, port G, port H, port J, port K, port L. All the ports have 8-bit bidirectional input-output port with internal pull-up resistor. All the port output buffered have symmetrical drive characteristics with both high sink and source capability. The port pin are extremely pulled low with source current if the pull-up resistor are activated. The port pins are tri-stated when reset condition become active, even if the clock is not running. In order to maximize the performance and parallelism, the AVR uses a hardware architecture with separate memories and buses for program and data. The instructions in the program memory are executed with a single level piping. While one instruction is being executed, the next instruction is prefetched from the program memory. These concepts enable the instruction to be executed in every clock cycle. The program memory is in system reprogrammable flash memory. The program flow is provided by conditional and unconditional jump and call instruction, able to direct the whole address space. Most AVR instructions have a single 16-bit word format. Every program memory contains a 16-bit or 32-bit instruction. Program flash memory space is divided into two sections, that is the boot program section and the application program section. Both sections have dedicated lock bit for read and write protection. The interrupts have a separate interrupt vector in the interrupt vector table. The interrupts have priority in according with their interrupt vector position. Lower the interrupt vector address, higher the priority. Why Arduino? The Atmega 2560 microcontroller can be programmed with the open source integrated development environment, in short IDE. The Arduino manufacturing the development board for Atmega 2560 to flash the program and to interface the input-output ports and also to interface all other features available within the Atmega 2560. The Arduino development board are popular among the design engineers and research scholars because of its open source policy and enhanced technical resources. So in this lecture series, we are going to learn Atmega 2561 microcontroller using Arduino development board named Mega 2560 and Arduino IDE. In next video, we are going to learn about the basic concept of Arduino development board and basic programming of the Arduino. Thank you.